Are you paying for a subscription you no longer need, but dreading the cancellation process? It happens to the best of us. You sign up for a free trial or a premium service, life gets busy, and suddenly you have another recurring charge draining your bank account. If that forgotten premium service is Rocket Money, and you're ready to switch back to the free features, you've come to the right place. The good news is that canceling your Rocket Money premium membership is straightforward, whether you're using the app or the website. You have full control, and you can manage your subscription right from your settings. We're going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process right now so you can cut that recurring expense quickly and painlessly. Let's dive in. Here's how to cancel Rocket Money Premium on the mobile app. First, open the Rocket Money app on your phone. In the upper left corner, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or a cog, and tap on it. From the settings menu, you'll see an option for premium membership. Tap that. Now, scroll down the screen until you see the Manage Membership section and select it. You'll then see a screen with a price slider. The key step here is to drag that price slider all the way to the left until the displayed price is $0 per month. Once you set the price to 0, the button below will change from Update Subscription to Cancel Subscription. Tap that button. Follow the final on-screen prompts to confirm your decision, and you'll be all set. You will retain your premium features until the end of your current billing cycle, and then your subscription will revert to the free tier. The process is very similar if you're using the Rocket Money website on your computer. Log into your account on the Rocket Money website. Click the settings icon, again usually a gear, in the upper left corner of your dashboard. In the menu, select the premium option. Just like on the app, you will see the price slider. Drag it to the left to set your price to $0 per month. Click the now visible Cancel Subscription button and confirm your choice through any final prompts. A couple of quick things to keep in mind: canceling premium does not delete your Rocket Money account, and it won't remove any active bill negotiations. It just reverts you to the free features once your paid cycle ends. If you want to totally delete your account, there's a separate option under your profile settings, but canceling premium is the first step to stop those recurring charges. And there you have it, your Rocket Money Premium membership is canceled in a few simple taps or clicks. You've taken back control of your budget and stopped another unwanted charge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.